So the market today is opening bit flat and it's opening somewhere around 24,660 and we have a resistance level somewhere close to 24,700. If this resistance breaks, then we might see the Nifty go up for today according to my analysis, or if the market starts to drop down, then the support level is around 24,400. Okay, so this is my analysis what I have for today's market. So let's see how the market will perform today. So in this video, I'll be talking about Nifty 50 analysis and also the intraday trade what I'll be doing. So you'll be getting all these things in this video. So watch the video till the end to get the complete information. And also guys, I'm trading from 12 years plus without any indicators. So based on my unique knowledge and the strategy. So if you guys wish to improve and learn the skills from my experience, do check out the description box. There is a link to click and connect with me on Telegram, so where I'll be guiding you personally. Okay, so yes, as of now, this is how the market is opening today, guys. So let's see how the market will perform today, and I'll be showing you on what stock I'll be trading today. Okay, so guys, right now I have selected HCL stock to trade. If this stocks breaks above 1375, then it will be a buying side trade, or if this breaks below 1360, then it's a short sell trade. Okay, so this is my analysis what I have today. So now let's see the chart and see how the stock will perform for the day. Okay, so I'll be showing you the entire performance, and also at the last we'll talk about Nifty 50 performance as well for today. So guys, yes, as of now you're seeing the HCL Tech stock here. Okay, so as of now I'm in a short selling side. Why? Because it has come below 1360, and that's the reason why I'm in a short selling side as of now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So I'll be showing you the end of the day chart analysis. So as of now we can see how the price is gradually coming down. So we have entered on a short selling side below 1360, and we can see here the price is gradually coming down, and of course this stock has a support level somewhere close to 1345. So anyway, I'll not hold it too long, okay, as the market is volatile from the last couple of days. So I'll just try to book the profit once it comes near my target zone, and I'll be showing you my end of the day chart analysis as well, guys. So as of now we can see how the sellers are coming in, and of course the market is also coming in a bit of a bearish side. It's not breaking the resistance level above 24,700 what we have. So this gives a confirmation of a trend that the stock is in a bearish side for today. So anyway, not going to take a lot of risk here. So you can see here it's already coming down. So I'll just book the profit, and now I'll be showing you the end of the day chart analysis. Okay, so guys, yes, the day has now closed, and you can see this is how the stock has performed for today. So somewhere over here is where we entered the short selling position in the morning, and you can see the price has completely come down till almost 1336 to 1337 for today. Of course, now you can see here the price has completely come down. The stock had been completely bearish for today. Why? Because the market was also bearish. Okay, so this is the stock chart what you guys are seeing here on HCL Tech. So now let me quickly pull up the Nifty 50 chart and show you how the market has completely performed for today. So remember guys, in the morning itself I have said you today's support and resistance level. Okay, so resistance what I said was around 24,700, so somewhere over here. So let me just draw it thick somewhere over here, and the support what I said was around 24,400 level, so which was somewhere over here. But anyway, the market has stayed between these levels. Okay, but of course you can see it has touched almost the resistance point. It has gone up till 24,670 almost, and from there we have seen a big reversal happening. Okay, so once the reversal happened, the key support was 24,500, so there where it has taken a support for today. Okay, and till 2:30 p.m. it was completely bearish. The market was completely bearish. Okay, and the momentum was also volatile. So a lot of stocks were range bounded, but a lot of stocks were giving a quick momentum. So all these things were happening in the market today. But you can see here the market has come down and touched 24,500 level. After that, the market has reversed in the last 30 minutes for the day almost. So due to this CIS thing, what's happening now, at the very end of the market we're getting this big spike. Okay, and after this big spike happens, on the next day what we are seeing is a bit of a fall in the market. So I don't know what the regulatory are taking the action for this, or is it common, or how it is. Okay, so once the CAS rule has come, we can see from the last 3-4 days the same thing is happening. Okay, so this was implemented from this Monday. So you can see this was the Monday's chart, big spike, in the last ending, the last one candle. And again, this was Tuesday, again a big spike in the last candle, and again today one more big spike at the ending. So not sure how this will consider to the trend. So should we consider this as a breakout or a sudden volume at the end, or what it is? Okay, but of course right now it's in a very confusing state. So let's not look into this spike what's happening, so that will not be our exact trend is what I'm guessing. So anyway, let's see how the market will open for tomorrow. As of today, it has closed at 24,625. So again, now the key support is around 24,500, and the next level is around 24,400 for the support, and the resistance level is again 24,700 as of now. So once this breaks, then we might see the upper trend coming. So anyway, this is my today's Nifty 50 analysis and today's trade, that is HCL Tech stock trade analysis, guys. So let me know what you guys feel about this video. Do like it, do comment, and also check out the description box to connect with me personally if you guys wish to improve your knowledge and skill as of now. Okay, so anyway, this is how it has performed today. So this is our stock chart, and this is the Nifty chart, how it has performed today, guys. So let's see how the market will behave and perform tomorrow. So this is my today's trade and analysis. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I will see you guys in the next one very soon.